Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting face-off between two top-notch dash cams, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam and the Pilot dash camera. Buckle up because this comparison is about to hit the road. Let's kick things off with the most important feature of any dash cam, the video quality.
The Galphi 3-channel dash cam boasts a high-performance Novatech chipset and a Sony sensor, delivering smooth 1080p front video, 720p cabin inside video, and 720p rear video.
That's impressive coverage.
Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities. The Galphi 3-channel dash cam performs exceptionally well in low light conditions thanks to its f1.8 big aperture and WDR technology.
Plus, it has 4 IR lights facing the cabin, ideal for rideshare drivers who want to keep an eye on their passengers even in the dark. Moving on to parking monitoring, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam has a built-in gravity shock sensor that automatically locks the footage when a collision or bump occurs. It's like having a reliable eyewitness protecting you in case of disputes or accidents.
Memory capacity is crucial when it comes to dash cams.
The Galphi 3-channel dash cam supports up to a whopping 128 gigabytes memory disk. That's double the storage capacity compared to other ordinary 3-channel systems out there. More storage means more peace of mind on the road. Now let's talk about installation.
The Galphi 3-channel dash cam features a unique compact design that won't obstruct your view while driving. Plus, it has a simplified rear camera installation that doesn't require removing the reversing light. Easy peasy. Overall, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam is highly praised for its video quality, night vision capabilities, parking, monitoring, memory capacity, and easy installation.
Well folks, it's time to wrap up this showdown between the Galphi 3-channel dash cam and the Pilot dash camera.
Both of these products offer excellent features and can be a great addition to your car. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your personal preferences and budget. No matter which dash cam you choose, having one can provide you with crucial evidence in case of accidents, theft, or any unexpected events on the road.
Stay safe out there, and until next time, keep buying smart.